Welcome, juicers. Welcome to another episode of Spirit Juice No Additive with Edward. Like, share, and subscribe. I sit here day in and day out watching YouTube, and I see all these ads for starting your own LLC and nonprofit. I started my own LLC and my nonprofit on my own without the help of paying a subscription and having another company do it for me that claims to be free, and without paying for apps, a whole conglomerate looking bundle of apps. All I did it is for free, and I did it on my own. And I'm going to explain that to you right here, right now. First of all, it's very possible to start your own LLC and your nonprofit on your own. You don't need any help. You don't need to pay any subscription costs to anybody. You could just call the IRS yourself, which I did for both my LLC and my nonprofit, and got my EIN number. That is your tax ID number. That's your organization right there in a nutshell. You have an EIN number dedicated just for your LLC and your nonprofit. Also, you have to pay a state cost to have your business registered in the state that you lived in. All you have to do is go onto the website, the Secretary of State website, and just pay the fee yourself without paying someone else. Pay it directly to the people that is going to register your business in the state you live in. Also, with a nonprofit, you have to have a 501c3 status. You can pay that right through and obtain that right through the IRS.gov website. That's plain and simple. And there you go. You have your 501c3 non-tax exempt status, and you got your LLC. You done paid that fee to get your, well, it's not even a fee for your EIN number. You don't even have to pay anything to the IRS to get your EIN number. But you do, with both a nonprofit and an LLC, have to pay a state fee to get your business registered in that particular state. And it's a yearly cost, and it's like $35. It depends on the state, but $35 to $65 a year just to have it registered, so that people know that you are a legit business and they can check with the state and see that you're registered. Okay, so when you are applying for your LLC and your nonprofit, you need a business name. Okay, you need an article of incorporation for your nonprofit, because it's ran by a board. You have to have a board for your nonprofit. So you're going to do an article of incorporation, which is a document that's just going to establish bylaws and how you're going to operate as an organization, and have a list of board members and all of that type of stuff. But what else you need? Then you can set up your own website and domain right through web.com or GoDaddy, one of those places. You don't have to pay a subscription unless you want to upgrade. But yeah, you could do that through outside entities. You don't have to pay an organization or business to do all that for you. You could just do it on your own, and just pay the fee. Those are the only fees associated. And then also too, you can get the website and the domain in one place with GoDaddy or web.com or places like that. And then you accrue the additional cost of supplies like office supplies, desk, chairs, computers, laptops, phone systems, internet, all of that. You do as you are able financially, but you're going to still have to do that and pay that yourself if you get one of these companies that you got a subscription to. It's not included in the subscription. And your location and, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, I sit here every day and I watch day in and day out people that are taking advantage of consumers that are ignorant to the fact that they could do all this on their own and not have to pay a monthly subscription cost to have somebody else do it. It's easy. Just call the IRS or just go on the IRS.gov website, get your EIN number for your LLC. They'll ask you a series of questions, very you can navigate it very easy. It's comprehensible to everybody. And then also with the nonprofit, pay your 501c3, which it cost me like $300 and some dollars or something like that for a nonprofit business. Okay, which is two different things. One is for profit. The LLC is for profit. The nonprofit is just what it says, nonprofit. All the money goes back in to the company, and you pay yourself a salary or whatever, or people, your employees, a salary. But yeah, all the money that you make from grants and loans and donations and things of that nature has to go into the business for supplies and all the necessary goodies that you need to run a nonprofit. But this is not a hard process. You don't need to go on at somebody's site and pay a subscription, and it's free. If it's free, you shouldn't have to pay for a subscription cost, to be with them. You're going to still incur the cost. They're not going to pay it for you. They're just going to tell you what you need to pay. Okay? And you don't need to do that. Go to the IRS.gov and you could do it all on your own. Go to the Secretary of State in your state and pay the cost to have your business registered. They'll give you a name that's not being used in your state and register you as a business, a nonprofit, or a LLC. It's not that difficult, people. So if that's all, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. If videos like this help you, it helps the algorithm. It helps us get out to more people. Please help me out. I'm just starting out, and I need your help. Bye.